BTU model. Both units provide the ability to heat and cool a single room in your home. The through-the-wall design provides a secure fit that keeps outside air and pests at bay. These units work in tandem with a durable steel through-the-wall sleeve that must be purchased separately. The 8000 BTU model has 8,000 BTUs of cooling power and 4,200 BTUs of electric heating power and can service a room up to 350 square feet in size. The 12,000 BTU model has 12,000 BTUs of cooling power and 10,600 BTUs of electric heating power and can service a room up to 550 square feet. Both models can operate in either cool, heat, dehumidify, or fan-only mode. Using the electronic thermostat and digital display, you can set your desired temperature as well as control other convenient features like the energy saver mode, fan speed, and 24-hour timer.
LG portable air conditioner connected to your smartphone. Search for the LG SmartThink application from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your smartphone. Follow instructions to download and install the LG application. Run the LG application and create an account and sign in. To connect the portable air conditioner to your Wi-Fi network, power on the unit, and press and hold the fan button for 3 seconds until the Wi-Fi icon begins to blink. Select Register. Then select Air Conditioner from the list of available smart appliances. Then select Portable. Follow the instructions on the smartphone to register the unit and connect it to your home Wi-Fi network. Proceed to Step 3 on the app and press Registration Complete. Once the product is registered, the unit will appear on the app, and you are now ready to use the smartphone features on your LG portable air conditioner from your smartphone. The smart features include mode, set temperature, fan speed, and airflow. You can also turn the unit on and off using the app on your smartphone. Stay cool all year round with your new LG portable air conditioner.